asana. Supta Kapotasana. In Sanskrit, Supta means supine, Kapota means pigeon, asana means pose. In English, it's called supinated pigeon pose. Steps and adjustments of Supta Kapotasana. Step number 1. Lie flat on the back with the legs and feet together. Place the arms beside the body with the palms facing down. Step number 2. Bend your knees and keep the soles of the feet on the mat. Step number 3. Lift your right leg and cross it over your left leg, bringing the ankle several inches above the knee of the left leg. Now slowly bring your right hand inside your left thigh and your left hand outside your left thigh. Interlace your fingers by lifting your left feet off the floor. Begin to gently pull your knees towards the chest, as comfortable from your side. Try to observe the good stretch in your glutes and your hamstrings. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. With exhalation, slowly release your legs. Release the interlace of the fingers. Simultaneously, bring the left feet down and followed by your right feet down. And relax in Shavasana. Variations of Supta Kapotasana. Variation number 1. Catch hold your shin bone and pull your knees close to your chest. Maintain in the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute, or as long as comfortable from your side. Variation number 2. Catch hold your thighs or interlace your fingers behind your thighs and extend your knee and maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Benefits of Supta Kapotasana. Number 1. Gives deep stretch to glutes, thighs and your lower back. Number 2. Improves blood circulation in the lower limbs. Number 3. Increases blood flow to the pelvic region. Contraindications of Supta Kapotasana. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with chronic knee injuries, sacroiliac issues.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.